one of the fun things that we do is we do a lot of tooth whitening, and that's really important. I mean, your smile is your signature. Everybody recognizes you by the top six. If you think of your friend, you think of their smile, you think of these top six teeth, right? And it just really enhances it. So Scott's a patient, but he's also an entrepreneur, and one of his businesses is called Smile America. And it's a real neat opportunity where people can, at a kind of a small fee, come to an office and have some whitening, and then we get to make the acquaintance of the patient and meet some neat people, and it's really fun to change their smile.
Smile America is a program that my organization actually created. It is a program that allows people who are not necessarily coming into Dr. Miller's office currently an opportunity through a teeth whitening program to get teeth whitening at a highly discounted rate, which is more of an introduction to the potential patient and Dr. Miller. They can come in, meet the staff, see the actual office, get an opportunity to interact with both the staff and Dr. Miller, which then gives them both an opportunity to maybe make a cohesive relationship over the long term and become a regular patient-doctor scenario.